In this tutorial, we'll use the first derivative test to classify critical points. Use the first derivative test to classify the critical points of f of x equals e to the x minus 4x. So first, we'll set f prime of x equal to 0 and solve for x to determine the critical points. Then we'll use the sign chart to classify the critical points. This amounts to the first derivative test. So f of x equals e to the x minus 4x. That means f prime of x equals e to the x minus 4. We set this equal to 0 and solve for x. I'll add 4 to both sides to get e to the x equals 4. Then I'll apply the natural logarithm to both sides. This leaves me with x equals ln 4. So let's plot this point on the number line. Now our sign chart will have two intervals. The first interval will be from negative infinity to ln 4. The second interval will be from ln 4 to positive infinity. So we'll pick a number that lies between negative infinity and ln 4. For example, 0. If we plug that into the first derivative, the sign is negative. That means the graph of the function f of x is decreasing on that interval. Now we'll pick a number between ln 4 and infinity, for example, 10. If we plug that into the first derivative, the sign of our answer is positive. In other words, the graph is increasing on that interval. That means that x equals ln 4 is a relative minimum. On the first interval, we were decreasing, hit the bottom at ln 4, and then started increasing. That's why x equals ln 4 is a relative min. And this completes the exercise.